In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change package name in Firestore. Right up front, a quick clarification, Firestore itself doesn't have a package name. What you can change is the Firebase project name that appears across the console. This is a display label for your project, not an identifier for your apps, and it won't alter your database paths, project ID, or any client app package or bundle IDs. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Firebase console. Sign in with the Google account that has access to the project you want to update, then open that project. On the left side of the console, hover over the gear icon to reveal settings. This is where all of your project level configuration lives, and it's the place to adjust high-level details that appear across Firebase and, in many cases, Google Cloud. Click General to open your project settings. At the top of the General tab, you'll see the project name field. This is the label that shows up in the console header and helps you and your team recognize the project at a glance. To edit it, click the small pencil icon next to the current name. This opens an inline editor or a dialog where you can type your new name. Enter the new project name carefully. Choose something descriptive and consistent with your team's naming conventions. Avoid sensitive information in the name since it will be visible to anyone with project access. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply the change. After saving, the new name will propagate through the Firebase console. You might notice it update in the navigation header and on related pages. This change is cosmetic and does not affect your Firestore data, security rules, indexes, or region. It also does not modify the immutable project ID. If you don't immediately see the new name, give it a moment and refresh the page. A couple of helpful notes as you work. You'll need sufficient permissions, typically editor or owner, to change the project name. If you don't see the pencil icon or the save option is unavailable, check with your project administrator. Also, if you came here looking to change an Android application ID or an iOS bundle identifier, sometimes informally called a package name, that's configured in your app code and managed as separate app registrations in Firebase. Renaming the Firebase project won't change those identifiers. That's all there is to it. You've successfully updated the Firebase project name, which is the closest relevant setting when people refer to a Firestore package name. Thanks for watching, and happy building.